just entered into Atlanta. There's the city. It's a beautiful skyline, especially when you come in at nighttime. Everything's all lit up. We're just going to stay in the HOV lane. It winds off from 75, but we come right back to it. Oh, I guess I better slow down. Okay, he just pulled off on the interstate like that. Man, I've never breezed through here so easy. Oh, okay. I spoke too soon. Someone's had a wreck, that's why. Hope they're okay. Man, if I had time, I'd stop by the Varsity and get me a hot dog. So we have a little bit of congestion here. Just a little bit. As long as I'm rolling like this, I'm fine. You remember Atlanta was the host city to the Olympics. I don't remember what year Olympics. So that's where you still see that there. And there's the Varsity. Good hot dogs. I just realized this is the furthest south I ever ridden this street line before. And hopefully I'll make it all the way to Daytona. That's where I'm headed to. But I've been out west. I've had my other street glide all the way to Macon, Georgia, but I haven't had this one even in the state of Georgia until today. Somebody on a switchback. Some people might complain about this, but this is not traffic when it comes to Atlanta. Not quite ready to put the cruise control on yet. I think it really breaks up when you get past the airport. There's always, it'll free up a little bit, then it'll stop again somewhere. I can't remember where. So this is the highest gas that we got so far, 309. I went 170 miles and my reserve had 36 miles left in it. I was running speed sometimes close to 90 miles per hour, anywhere between 75 to 90 miles per hour, so I was on it pretty good. My brother-in-law still had, I don't know if you can hear me with the guy on lead. My brother-in-law still had 63. Then it still had 63 miles left in it. But his took last time 3.3 gallons, and mine only took 3 gallons. So maybe I didn't top it all the way off like he did. So I'm gonna stretch my legs a little bit. Get back on it. See you then. Looks like I'm getting around 210 a tank. I was on it pretty strong, so I'm not sure. So this morning when I left, I filled up. Then 100 and something miles, 126 miles down the road, I topped off. And then I went 175 miles, got more gas. It looks like I'm getting about, out of a tank of gas, around 210. That's my best guess. First time I filled up completely. The second time I only had 3 gallons. Then this last time I had about 4.5. You see how I'm leaning back like this? This roll bag, you might can't see it behind me. That roll bag is the best backrest. You lean back on your roll bag and you put your feet up on your highway pegs. You can make some miles. We still have 237 miles to go. It's 5:30 right now. So we ought to be getting in there. Let's say if it takes us
3.5 hours. We ought to be getting there right at 9 o'clock. But I have to make some more stops, so it may be a little bit later than 9 o'clock. One more definite, maybe 2 more gas stops, just because I think it'll be cheaper to get gas before we get into Daytona. So I think we'll get gas again before that, and then I want to stop at the Welcome Center, and I got to make a run to Walmart, and we got to get something else to eat. I just ate one time today. The weather this morning started out like 36 degrees, and now we are at 72 degrees. Well, 79 miles to the Florida Welcome Center. I may make a stop before then. I'd like to make it on in, but I need to get off the bike and stretch my legs a little bit, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to make it all the way to the Welcome Center. But it is a beautiful day. It really is. A great day to ride. An awesome day. And there's more police there. There's 2 of them there. So I'm going to slow this thing down. Alright, so I'll see you at the Welcome Center when we get there. Hopefully they still have some orange juice. Alright. Well, yeah, 3rd gas stop. Well, 4th one if you count filling up earlier. $12 this time. We're in the hundreds now. We are like 179 miles away. So that shouldn't take very long. Alright. Wait on my brother-in-law to come back out, and then we're gonna get moving. I just needed something. I'm not gonna stop and eat now. I'm gonna eat something when I get to where we're staying. Okay guys, back on the road again. It's been looking like this for a while. I'm trying to make it in before it gets dark. There's a motorcycle up there. Let's see what kind of it is. We have about, let's see here, 165 miles to go. We shouldn't have to stop and get any more gas. We can make it on in. Feels so good out here. What is that? That's not a Harley. Oh, it's an Indian. Yeah, it looks like a chieftain. Like he has some ape hangers on it. Well, we'll get him, ride with him. I don't think he's going where we're going because he doesn't have a bag on the back. Look at that. Police officer right there. They've been getting everybody all day too. Okay, it gives us a chance to see what that is. Ape hangers on it, the new bag, so it's at least it's a 19. And yeah, it's the Indian chief. Nice bike. Georgia. We're about to cross over to the Florida line. You know, I like my bike. When people comment talking about the mirrors on street lights are horrible, I have to agree. They are horrible. You see where my brother-in-law is. Hopefully you can see in this camera here. I can't see him at all in my mirror. It's pushed all the way back too. I mean all the way back. Oh, 1 mile. I gotta get me some orange juice. I have to. Just something you gotta do when you go to Florida. When you cross that Welcome Center line, you have to stop in and get orange juice. This is something I've done since a kid. My daddy and mama used to stop down here. Here's the sign, welcome to Florida. They used to stop down here and we'd go to the Welcome Center, get some orange juice. So anytime I'm passing through here, I do the same thing. So I'm going into the Welcome Center now. We just made it to Florida, and hopefully they still have the orange juice. It's not that late. They should still be in there serving orange juice. So we're gonna go in now and take a look. Oh, man, this leather jacket. I look like a crazy man wearing this jacket right now. People are down here in shorts, but I'm not gonna, no orange juice for me today then. So anyway, no orange juice for me. We're gonna get back on the bike and get moving. I have these earphones plugged in because my exhaust after a couple hundred miles can get kind of loud. So okay, we're back on the road again. I got my visor open. I got my visor open because my tinted shield. I put these glasses on because, as weird looking as they look, I need to be able to see this tinted visor. I wish I would have had like a transition visor, but I don't, so I have the glasses on. And I'm enjoying the air. Feels good. Little cheap motorcycle glasses that I bought from Cycle Gear. Let me tell you what the air temperature is. 70 degrees. And it feels awesome. It's a great helmet, by the way. I've never had on a ride before. I've always had cheap helmets. Funny thing about that, I was talking about that. I was making a video about a Cardo Bluetooth device. I had my GoPro on the front of that helmet. At the time, it was a GoPro 7, so it's a $400 GoPro. The Cardo Freecom 2, the GoPro mic adapter, the microphone on the inside. So I had roughly $500–600 of equipment on a $119 helmet. I realized how stupid that was, and I went searching for another helmet. It's the best helmet I ever owned. It's DOT and Snell approved. All right, so we got 1.1 miles, and we'll be getting off to the right, following that sign there, to Jacksonville, Tallahassee. I don't know why this ride is taking this long, but it's a 9-hour drive.
It's two things we all got an equal opportunity to do with our 24 hours and our 7 days in a week, right? Hey, we can grind, go to work, and make that a way of life, or we can starve and make that a way of life. Be a superstar, don't ever let nobody tell you different. What's gonna separate you is your grind, your work ethic.
All right, hold it up, let them see it.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Grind to Starve Apparel, man. The website, www.gosapparel.com. That's gosapparel.com. Traveling tall, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
All right, you have a blessed day.
Take care. God bless you. Thank you for letting me relay that message.
Oh, no problem.
Drive on. Sit tight, man.
So 9 miles on this road here. I thought we were closer than that. Not quite. Let's see here. Let's look at the, oh, there's a Wendy's. Might eat Wendy's tonight. It says we're 7.2 miles away. That's blinded. Oh man, something smells good and I'm hungry. Smells really good. It's straight. I know there's probably a Walmart over here somewhere. I'm pretty sure I remember the Walmart being over here. We're close. I think if I remember right, Walmart's over here somewhere. Okay, so we're 2.8 miles away from where we're staying. Is that Walmart? No. Oh man, it smells good. Outback, Buffalo Wild Wings. I wish it was daytime so I could see. There's water. Oh man, you could smell the salt in the air. 0.9 miles, we turn right. We're close. Real close. Might eat pizza tonight. If I can find a good pizza place. We made it. And it is a beautiful day. So we're going to get breakfast and then we got to get the motorcycles cleaned up. Look at all these bugs.